So I got lots of DM asking for gluten-free dumplings, and I'm just using the Vietnamese rice paper. Surprise! How simple is that? It's the one we use for like our shrimp salad rolls. So you wet it, and I'm using these plastic separator, and you just make sure they get a little sticky. So just flip them over if they do. And you want to fold this into 3/4 of the way. See that? Leaving that much off. And press it down to get the air. And in here I have ground pork, minced shrimp, and seasoning, and a little bit of cornstarch. So everything is gluten-free. So you want to fold that in, press it down, and start making your folds. Keep folding long folds. You can see more if it's long. And this will fall in. Like that. And now you're ready to fold in with that half moon shape. And that's it. So fold 3/4 of the way. And you want to leave it a little long that way. So you ready? Pull that in. Start your pleat there. Make sure there are long folds here. And let that guy tuck in there. One more fold. Fold this up. Shape it. Pinch. And that's the half dumpling with pleats. So this is going to be an easier one to do. Anyone can do this one. What I'm doing is just folding in and creating a square. Okay. So you want to put just enough in there. And what you do is just grab the corner, fold the sides in. They look pretty. Easy peasy. Rosebud this time. So 3/4 of the way again. And this time make this the center. Again, fold that in. And you want some nice small pleats. It doesn't have to be long. And if this guy fall down, good. That's where we want him to come. Here it is. Fried dumplings.